don't know.
Yeah, not sure.
I don't know.
Okay.
I just know that we were told to move at gunpoint. Suddenly we heard gunshots outside the gate, about 8 shots. But they fired into the air, they didn't fire at us. And then they just said, you've got 5 hours to get out. And they stood and watched over us with their guns. There is plenty of land that can go around still without having to put everybody through the thing that we're going through. And I think it's going to have far-reaching effects on the economy of the country anyway.
Okay, we just have to take absolutely everything, okay? Can I go?
No, I'll let you know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just look.
Several members of various organisations arrived, including the army and armed guards and everyone. And they wouldn't even consider the second Section 8. They basically looked at the first Section 8 and said we were illegally on the property. And initially they gave us until 5 o'clock yesterday to get off. As it turns out, we then tried to negotiate and we've got an extension until 5 o'clock today to get off the property.
My bird's frightened.
So she's made an application that
It's formerly a place of business.
Oh, okay.
We are forced to live here because this is the...
My lawyer said, well, I think it's best to be off the farm for the weekend. Get as much of your valuable stuff as you can off. So we only had a bakkie that we'd borrowed, and we took off what we could. You know, we couldn't take off everything. There's still an awful lot of stuff there, but we took off a bit of furniture and stuff, and I managed to get all my stock off because I was worried that they'd kill, my cattle and goats and things. But we had a friend who's taken them and looking after them for us.